So we will solve now exercise. Let's see. Bit A. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate conjunctions. So just now we have learned about the conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words which join two words, sentences, clause or phrases. Okay. So first one is the shops were closed. Dash I could not buy a book. So what will come here? See option A and option B but, option C because, option D so. So what will come here? See the shop was closed. So I could not buy a book. Okay, means the shop was closed, that's why I could not buy book. So what will be the correct conjunction here? That is so. Let's see number 2. Dash in Baroda he learned painting. A seems, B why, C as, D because. So what will be the correct conjunction? That is why. Means when he was living in Baroda, that time he learned painting. So what will come here? The why will come here. Number 3. Why is he dressed dash a woman? A before, B after, C as, D if. So will here come before? Means why he dressed before a woman? No. After a woman? No. As a woman or if woman? Yes. Means the boy has dressed up like a woman. So we will use here as. Means the boy is copying like a woman. So what will come here? As. Number 4. Run fast dash you will miss the school van. So see here option say but, B or, C and D for. So see here is like two things, means you will get or you will not get. So run fast dash you will miss the school. If you run fast so he will get school van, but he will not run fast, he will not get the van. So what will come in? Run fast or you will miss the van. Okay. So see 5 number. Aman secured A grade dash he worked hard. So now the action is like he did something. Just because he did something, he got something but because he did something. So from that we have to choose. C A and B but, C because and D so. So Aman secured A grade dash he worked hard. So what will come here? So Aman secured A grade because he worked hard. What will come here? Because see question number 6. The tortoise walked continuously dash he won the race. So see now here what happened? The tortoise walked. How he walked? He walked continuously. So in result he walked continuously. So in result what happened? He won the race. So see here we are getting, or we are by reading this sentence we are getting an idea that it is a consequence of something. So let's see. A but, B so, C because and D for. So what will come here? If we write here but, what will the sentence become? The tortoise walked continuously but he won the race. Will it be the correct sentence? No. So option B so. The tortoise walked continuously so he won the race. So is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Why? Because the tortoise walked continuously and for that what happened? He won the race. If he would stop walking, would he win the race? No. So what will come in answer? That is so. So see question number 7. Hardy is fat dash Laurel is thin. Option A and, option B but, option C so, option D or. So as you can see here, how is the Hardy? Hardy is the fat and Laurel is thin. So as you can see they are talking about two qualities, fat and thin. So what will come here? Yes, Hardy is fat but Laurel is thin. Means this boy is fat but this girl is how? This girl is thin. So we are talking here about two qualities, fat and thin. That's why what will come here? But. Let's see the next, that is now 8. Charlie dash his sister sang together. Option A and, option B but, option C or option D not. So what will come? So Charlie and his sister, they both what they did? They sang the song together. So what will come here? And because they both did some action. Question number 9. Aladdin became sad dash he lost his magical lamp. So options A are or, option B and, option C when, option D then. So what will come here? Aladdin became sad dash he lost his magical lamp. So what will come here? See the Aladdin is sad. Why is sad? because he lost his magical lamp. So this Aladdin became sad. When he became sad, when he lost his magical lamp. So what will come here? Conjunction, that is when. So see option 10. Always lock your door. Dash should leave. Option A after, option B before, option C then, and option D at. So what will come here? So whenever you go out of your room, so then you have to lock your door. So what will come here? After or before, then or at, that is after. Means whenever you go or you leave the room, that time you have to lock the door. So here the correct condition is after. Number 11. We went to Goa by air. Dash it saved a lot of time. What will be your correct option? Option A if, option B but, option C so, and option D then. So what will come here? Yes, that is so. Means they went by and the end in result for what happened, their time has been saved. That's why we are using so. See question number 12. The bird was in a golden cage. Dash it was unhappy. So see option A and, option B bird, option C before, option D all. So what will come? See the bird is in golden cage, but is the bird happy? No. So what will come here? But means it is in golden cage, but the bird is unhappy. Number 13. Chintu will order a cheese dash a capsicum pizza. So see now here Chintu has two options, whether he want to order a cheese pizza or a capsicum pizza. So what will come here? That is option C. Okay, means what is happening here? The Chintu has to choose between two things, cheese or capsicum. So see question number 14. Dhoni hit very hard dash it was not a 6. So what will come here? Option A but, option B and, option C or option D so. So Dhoni hit very hard but it was not a 6. Means he hit hard but he could not make a 6. Number 15. A rose is beautiful dash it has thorns. So here again we are talking about two things. A rose, how is a rose? The rose is a beautiful, but what it has thorns. So what will come here? Option A and, option B but, option C or option D so. So here correct option is but. So just now we have solved 1 to 15 questions. So remaining questions we will see in the next video. Thank you.